All right, friends, last thing you're doing for me is a mystery picture. So first thing I want you to recognize is that that is 0, that is 5. So that means that this line here would be 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. That's 5. If you want to label it, you got 6, you got 7, you got 8, you got 9. That's 10. Actually, I haven't made the copies yet, so I'm just going to fix that, and then that way everything's already labeled for you. That's 17, 18, that's 19, 20. You got 21, 22, 23, 24, and the very top line should be 25. Same thing on the bottom, okay? If that's 0, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can fill in the rest, okay? The last one should, be 30. The way that this works, it says find each point on the coordinate grid in the order listed below, which means you have to move across and do each little section one at a time. As you locate each point, make a dot, and then use a straight edge, a ruler, the side of your notebook, something. I'll have some rulers out, to connect the previous dot to the new point. When you see stop, do not make any more connections to that shape. Start the next shape anew, which is just new, start over, until you've located all the points on the coordinate grid. You should see a recognizable shape emerge, which means by the end, it should look like something. So you're going to plot a dot at 5:15. There's no letter, just put a dot there. Do 6:13, 5:11, 6:7. You're going to go all the way down. Once you have all of these points in the gray done where it says stop, you're going to use a ruler to connect all of these points. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 points in that first gray strip. So once all 17 of those dots are on the grid, you're going to use a ruler and you're going to connect all 17 of those dots. And then you stop because it says stop. Then you're going to move to the next section. You're going to do all the points that are in the white section. And then it says stop. So then you take the ruler again and you connect all those dots. In the the next gray section, that third section, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And then you connect those 5 dots because it says stop. There are 2 points. Connect those 2 points. And then it says stop. There are 4 points. Connect them. There are 3 points. Connect them. Okay, same thing. 3 points. Connect them. 3 points. Connect them. Plot all the points that are here in the white. Connect them. Plot all the points that are here in gray. Connect them. Same thing in the white. Connect them. On the bottom, it says draw an eye in the box between 7:21 and 8:22. Draw an eye in the box between 10:21 and 11:22. You should have some shape. Miss Diaz said she did this with hers, and the face of what you're making looks really weird while you're plotting it. She said, don't think you're doing it wrong, that once you're finished, you should see something. If you get everything plotted and you use the ruler and you connect everything that you need to connect, then you may color it if you want to. But if you borrow my crayons, you better treat them like you would if I was sitting there watching you, which means nothing is ending up on the floor. There's nothing in the bottom of the green container. If something happens to the box, you're 11, so you'll figure it out and you'll fix it and put it back responsibly like I would make you do normally. If you can't handle that, you ain't coloring it. That's it. You're either going to do it or you're not. If you are fine just to connect them and put your name on it and turn it in, turn it in. If you would like to color it and turn it in. When you're done and you have extra time, you are more than welcome to start my Christmas break packet. You should have already highlighted things. You should have already written down what you need. If you end up with even more time and you want to start working on Miss Sedad's, be my guest. But you're not causing a problem. This is it. You have an hour. Make this work.